PantherFest 2022 will be Saturday, July 23rd, beginning at 4 p.m. Central Time until 7 p.m. at the location that's on the screen. So this year we will have a Best in Show trophy. Everyone who attends will get a chance to vote for the Panther car they think is worthy of Best in Show title. The winner will receive a Best in Show trophy along with a $500 cash prize. All that and more at this year's PantherFest. See you there. What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. And in today's video, we are going to be installing some Euro style LED taillights on Papa Smurf, aka the Grabber Blue Mercury Marauder. Since the last video I made kind of revealing this new paint job, this thing has really grown on me now. And here, actually, let me give you guys a quick little update as to what I've done. So I still have to black out the trim. A lot of people have suggested to black out the door handles. There's still a little bit on the fence on that, and they also said to black out the mirror caps. I really want to do that, but I'm on the fence about it because it really does kind of bring in this whole SVT vibe to the car, you know, especially from the Cobra, from the Terminator Cobra that has the color matching mirror caps. But like I said earlier, I wanted to show you guys that, you see, I did black out the front grille inserts, and boy, does that really kind of tie in the car just so much better. Just that little bit of contrast alone just kind of brings it in all the way. If they still made them, I don't even think they make these things anymore. I think the actual shop that made them, I think it was Glass, the guy that would make the cowl hoods for our Panther cars, I think they are no longer in business, man, because I wanted a nice cowl hood for this thing, and I was going to actually have it wrapped in carbon fiber. Another thing I would have done, if I would have had the cowl hood with the carbon fiber, I would have actually wrapped the top in some, like, maybe satin black or something like that. Now, another thing that a lot of people have suggested that I do to the car when it comes to the paint is black out this thing right here. But those of you who know about Marauders, every Marauder has the color matched rear deck lid, because otherwise then it's going to start to look a little bit too much like a P71. But ever since I got the color done on this car, it has been such a major upgrade. It has upgraded the looks of this car so much that I just can't stand to look at these regular Marauder taillights anymore, guys. We need to upgrade. We need to step up our game, and today we're going to be getting rid of these regular old Marauder taillights, which are essentially just a little bit darker tinted regular P71 taillights. And so I thought to myself, what better way to kind of tie the look of this car and just kind of bring it all together than with these smoked out Euro style LED taillights.
Heck yeah, let it be.
If you go on eBay or Amazon, or hell, just go to Google and just type in Euro. Here, I'll spell it out right up here. So it's Euro style smoked LED taillights for Crown Victoria. You will come across with a couple different options for these. There's some that have a completely different design, which I used to have on the old Killer Whale Crown Vic. There's also a clear one, which it's this housing right here is all clear, and then there is a smoked one. And since I'm trying to go with this kind of just blue and black kind of theme, I figured the black smoked out look would look a lot better than having the clear lens. Now, like I said, these are LED tail lights, so there really isn't any bulbs or anything like that to mess with, guys. All it is just this one connector here, and I will show you step by step how to do this. It's this one connector is all you need to do to plug in, and that's pretty much all it takes to get this thing working. Now, these will work on any 98 to 2011 Crown Victoria, LX Sport, Mercury Marauder, or any 2001 and up Mercury Grand Marquis. All right, guys, now as far as modifications go, this is going to be one of the easiest that you'll ever do. Now, these lights can be a little bit expensive. I think they're running at about maybe $280 $300, but it will absolutely transform the look of your Panther car, as you guys will see. I will be the guinea pig for you guys, and you guys let me know in the comment section down below if it really does transform the look of this car, if it makes it just that much better, if it really ties it in that much better. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and install these bad boys. All you got to do is start out by unscrewing your 3 bolts right here. Like I said, it pretty much just plugs into one of your 2 connectors. It's going to be the one that's located on the left hand side of your harness, but if that doesn't work, just literally just trial and error it, turn on the headlights or have somebody hit the brakes, and you'll see those bad boys come on, and that's how you know you got the right plug. So let's hook this one up, let's hook that one up, and let's get some good before and after shots, some nice nighttime driving shots. Here we go. All right guys, and once you plug it in, if you plug this in and you try to turn on your headlights to see if the light's going to turn on, and if it doesn't, just literally pull it out and flip it the other way and plug it back in, and it'll work either way. Once you guys have made your connector install, it installs right into the hole. You put the cables right in here, it'll install right into the hole like a regular bulb. That way your cables are out of the elements. And there you guys have it, Euro style smoked LED taillights on Papa Smurf. What do you guys think? Let me know, comment section down below. I absolutely love it. I think it makes it look a lot classier. The LEDs are super bright. Let me show you guys a little example. So there's the normal daytime running mode. I'm going to show you what that looks like. And there they are, you know, not intrusive. It's real elegant. They're kind of just they're just there, right? You'll be like, damn, well that's not really much brighter, but look what happens when you hit the brakes. Look at that. Look how much brighter they get. So we'll let go of the brakes real quick, and now we'll hit the brakes, and look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. And so that is where we're going to leave the video today, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys digging the Euro style smoked LED taillights on the Marauder? Now I'm going to leave you guys with some nighttime shots. Just some quick little nighttime shots so you can see what this thing looks like at night. But if you ask me, I think it really kind of brings down, it kind of ties down the whole look of this car all together. And the more time you give it, the more these things really kind of grow on you. Just, I love it. Love it. Let me know, comment section down below. All right, and here's some nighttime shots of these bad boys. Here we go.